welcome back to my channel. All right, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. I see you, welcome, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Okay, as you can see from the topic, it's called the topic is what is mulatto soup. Yes. Okay, permit me to give a little bit of storytelling. Okay, when I started my course, when I started my training, I was like 3 or 4 years ago, thereabouts, like when I started my training professionally, I came across this mulatto soup. Then it wasn't called mulatto soup. I don't know what it was called then. It was like they call it a soap mixture or something like that. That was what it was called. And then the mixture was even extreme. Yes, if you ask me, it was super extreme, because there were a mixture of different kinds of soap in combination with serums, in combination with steroids. And I'm like, yo, what is this for? They were like, it will whiten the skin, blah 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 blah, like literally bleaching. That is what it is. And I'm like, okay, but some of these things that are added into these things might not even be compatible with each other, because then of course I was beginning to work professionally. So when I saw them doing that, because the people that were mixing their thing, mind you, were not professionals. Of course, they were just amateur mixing their shit inside the house. Yes, and people were coming to buy at a good amount. Yes, what women are ready to part with just for the purpose of bleaching their skin. Don't worry, I'm still on it. So I told her, I asked the woman that these things you're mixing, did you even read the ingredients? Did you even read the formulation? Do you even know what these things are made up of? She was like, I should leave it to that. It's very good. If that's what she's even using, can't I see her skin? But to be honest with you, at that time, what I was seeing was red. She was actually red. Like, it was like her skin was actually burning. I don't know if I'm trying to say to you. And so fast forward now to the present day. That soap mixture thing now is called mulatto. Yes, how many of you have heard of that? I remember a friend was asking me if I knew. I said I knew about mulatto. Like, mulatto is not a new thing to me, but like the name mulatto is actually new. Yeah, is a new invent for that mixture. Okay, now a little bit of storytelling. As I said, there was a client that reached out to me. That was before the whole pandemic thing. She said she wanted to see me, that she had issues, that and this lady, my dear, when I started seeing her, like, this lady was so beautiful. Like, she had this, it's still beautiful though, she had this very nice glowy chocolatey skin. She wasn't light, yes, but she really wasn't dark. I'll put her in the category of toning. She had a very beautiful skin, very young girl, just in her 20s when I first met her. So she traveled out of Port Harcourt, and I think that was where she got introduced to that mulatto soup. So when she got back to Port Harcourt, it was a mess. Like, the mulatto soap has finished her skin. Like, when she sent me the pictures, I couldn't believe it. Oh my god. Do you know, it's just that, you know, most of these things, for confidentiality sake, I'd have dropped some of the pictures for you guys to see, but that won't be nice, because she's my client and I'm supposed to maintain that confidentiality between us, yeah, professionally. So when I saw it, I was like, yo, what is this? So yeah, I needed to set an appointment. We had a proper appointment, and finally we met and we got talking. And I was like, babe, what did you do to your beautiful skin before you left Port Harcourt? Your skin was amazing. What happened? What really happened? She was like, that she went to, and then someone introduced her to this, that at the beginning when she started using the soap, that it was really nice on her, it was very beautiful. But after a while, she said she didn't even know how the whole thing just crumbled, how the whole thing just became a mess, and her skin actually like just got spoiled. So I was like, okay, so you just see something, you don't even know what the whole thing is all about, and all for the purpose of skin bleaching. You want to whiten your skin, you now actually indulge in it, and then this is it. So what do you want me to do now? That is it. As in, I'm sorry to bring it to a lot of people's notice that a lot of women, let me be, even men too, they got, because I've had male clients too with funny skin issues that they have used harsh chemicals to destroy. You come back to we that are into natural skincare and expect us to fix it. And you know, the part that annoys me the most is the fact that they mount more pressure on us. That wasn't my product. I don't even know the ingredients that was given to you in the name of mulatto soap for you to use on your skin, and then you come to me and expect me to fix it. Like, sorry, excuse me. For me, that's not fair. You need to give me time to actually even study the extent of the damage that you have done to your skin, and then we can begin to treat. Because one thing people don't understand is when you have messed up your skin with harsh chemicals, it's like you've injured your skin. So what follows next is treatment. But no, they want it fixed. No. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is Mulatto soap, that brings me to the main topic here, is mixture of different soaps. Mostly bleaching soaps, lightening, whitening soaps. I don't know how they do this modern mulatto, because I don't do it, to be honest with you. I don't know how they do the modern mulatto, but the one I was telling you when I saw the first time was mixture of different lightening stroke whitening soaps in combination with serums, in collaboration with steroids. Like you don't even need to know more. You already know. And I wonder the kind of convincing they do to these clients, because it's so-called mulatto soap is super expensive. Though I'm so glad that some of these people that are into this kind of mixture, they tell you that this is not organic, this is not a natural formulation, this is actually a like more of a will I say mix, you know. Of course they let you know, and which of course I am happy they do that a lot. But literally what I'm trying to tell you is that I'm not against you bleaching your skin. I keep telling you that, but mine is do it correctly. Know what it is you're putting onto your skin, because last you don't want to buy health problems for yourself, because for me that's like buying health issues. Because to be honest with you, personally, I'm the kind of person that I don't even want to fall sick. I don't even want to visit the hospital for the wrong reasons. So I don't see the reason why you should now indulge in this so-called stuff. Honestly, yeah, I'm not trying to scare you guys here listening to me, but to be honest with you, with the rate at which some kind of mixture are being made and given to the skin, I'm not a soothsayer, but honestly speaking, our generation or the ones behind us or the ones in front of us, I don't even know which one to specify, we end up with some kind of serious skin problems in the future that might not have solution. All it we have will be regret. If you must bleach your skin, that's the truth. I don't need to call it whitening or lightening. If you must bleach your skin, do it the right way. Do it with safe ingredients. Do it with safe products. Mulatto soap is something that I won't tell you use, I won't tell you don't use, but I am just trying to tell you that this is what this thing is made up of. It's bad enough that some people react to just one kind of soap. Yes, just one bar, like a specific soap that maybe they've not used before, and they use it messes up their skin. It's bad enough that some people react to just one kind of soap. Then how much more different types of soap, different combination of soap, different my Yoruba people will say orishirishi. You put it together. These soaps, they have different formula, they have different configuration. Even me that make natural handmade soaps, to be honest with you, each of these handmade soap have a little bit of distinctive features. You know, they have a little bit of formulation. The other day I had some people come to the house and they actually saw me writing, do some kind of calculation. They were like, what's up, what is this I'm calculating? I was like, I'm trying to make a soap. So literally, for every formulation, you actually have a calculation. For every formulation, you actually have a recipe. And these recipes, they vary. Exactly. Even though, yes, there is similarities, but there is still differences. Okay. And then you put up and then you bring up this different combination of soaps and then mesh them together. And then add some other serums or some other lightening powders inside, or some other steroids. And I like, guys, come on, let's tell ourselves the truth. Mulatto soap or mixture of soap, whatever it's been called now, the modern name, of course, the mulatto, it's something that I won't stop you from using it. As I said, like I was watching a favorite popular celebrity YouTuber, and that lady, I don't know what she's using on her skin. Like, I wish I knew her, or I knew someone that knew her. Like, oh my god, it was just like she poured hot water, because of course the camera was zooming, even though despite the fact it's sophisticated gadgets that I used to film her. So you can imagine seeing her real life, how it's going to be. You imagine there were sophisticated gadgets to a point that you could even see the makeup artist had to like give her a color. Like, you know where someone has messed up. Because to be honest with you, I'm also a makeup artist, yes, and I meet different skin types, the ones that, especially the ones that have bleached. Like, that one is a challenge, because let me tell you something about bleaching. It gives you an artificial color. Whatever color it gives you is not your color. So to be honest with you, even in foundation mix, I don't think they've made that one yet for those kind of skin, to be honest with you, because you have messed up your layers of your skin. You messed up your dermis, you messed up your epidermis. Some have eroded the first layer of their melanin, eroded the second, eroding the sub layers. Now the one that is helping your skin have life, that's the one you're beginning to erase. Like, you don't have a skin tone again. I'm sorry to say, that's the truth. I'm sorry, I might be sounding a little bit too harsh, but the truth is you don't have a skin tone any longer. And let me tell you something about soap. For me, soap even has more effect on your skin than cream. Ask me why. Because most of the time we bathe with warm water or hot water, depending on the weather. Like me, no matter how hot the weather is, I cannot bathe with cold water. It's usually warm water. So the moment you pour water on your body, especially when the water is hot, automatically you've opened your pores. Whatever you apply on that skin at that time where the pores is open is like magnet. It's highly receptive. It goes straight to your the layers of your skin. So if it's damaging, you're damaging the layers of your skin. If it's good, then of course you're nurturing the layers of your skin for good. If it's for bad, for bad. If it's for good, for good. Do you understand? So your pores are open. It accepts everything. But by the time you finish showering, you come out, of course, maybe the natural air has begun to touch your skin. Of course, your pores are beginning to reduce. Like, especially those that even bathe in the what do they call it? You know, all these jacuzzi, all those baths that have kind of sealed doors. You could actually see the steam. So you can imagine your pores are opened. And then they come out. When you come out, by then the air is straight to non-natural air, or if your fan or AC is on, is beginning to touch your skin, and then your pores are reducing back. So by the time you sit down to rub your cream, your pores are reduced. You understand? It's not like they will still not absorb the cream. They will absorb it, but not as much as they absorb the soap. I don't know if I'm making sense here. So I'm just trying to show you, or I'm just trying to illustrate the dangers of using something like the Mulatto soap. Like, to be honest with you, I'm not trying to, that's just the truth. I don't even need to sugarcoat it, to be honest with you. So enough of my ranting on Mulatto soap. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please, I beg, Niger Factor, you can see me sweating. You should permit the sweat. There is no light. I'm just, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me don't bore you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you're not yet subscribed, if you're new, you're welcome. You're returning subscribers. You guys are the real what do they call it? VVVIP. Are the most, what am I saying? Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. And see you in another video.